What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, your Golden Lion MM2. So today we're gonna be playing Brookhaven. As you can see the title, we're gonna be playing Brookhaven as a hitman, world best hitman. Yeah, you better subscribe. You better hit that like button and press the subscribe button, or else. This is what happens if you do subscribe and like. Hey, alright. Let's start the mission, guys. So today we're gonna be in Hitman. So we go up here as a Hitman. We kind of need a ladder here. Ladder time, ladder. Alright, let's get a ladder. Let's get a ladder, guys. Let's see where's the ladder, and the ladder is gone. Bro, there's no ladder here. It's gone. I wish right here. I'm an idiot. Oh, yeah, go to inventory. Put that guy up there. And now we're a hitman. Alright, let's get up here. And do this emote. Let's see. Oh, what they chatting about? Well, let's see what they're saying. They're gonna say, but what is this language? Miss Altia, Ali. Where's our target? And we gotta check up here. Who's our target today? Let's see who's our target today, guys. Let's see this. And our target is oh, it's this guy. It's me on the target. Hello, sir. I'm a hitman. My job is a hitman. This is where I get my job. Let's go. And where's the hitman? And I guess spy is still a hitman. I think they're the same. I don't know. So houses, janitor, gardener, business person, and VIP. Who's that? Venterina Ryan. What the? Alright, we're gonna be a spy. Why is it? Alright, bro. I said spy. Alright, we're now a spy. How about we click this? VIP, and can't get it. We're always a spy. Come on, dude. Alright, we're now a spy. It's still the same as a hitman. So let's go up here. Put up the ladder. Come on, ladder. Where is the ladder now? Alright, it's here. It's right here. Alright, let's do our job, guys. Let's go as a hitman. I just made a sound. I messed up. Yeah, let's check. Who's the target here? Guess it's this man. Okay, bye. What? DJ Kamao? What's that? DJ Kamao? What does that even mean? Right. Oh, guess this guy's our target. Let's back here. Bro, I hate Brookhaven. You can't even shoot them. Like, oh, they're dead. Pretend they're dead, guys. Bro, dead. Yeah, they're dead. Alright, boss. The mission is then. Next target. Oh, I guess it's somewhere in this house. Alright. Being a spy is not that bad. Sir, next mission. I need my shades on. Hitman. Let's search it up. And oh, there we go. The shades. Oh, it does fit me. I don't want them, by the way. I don't want it. I don't want to get a house right now because I'm clearly a hitman. You see, I am a hitman. I am absolutely a hitman. I need to go up here. How do I go up here? How about this? Oh, let's go. I can finally climb. Alright, let's do our job. Let's see what it is. Let's see who's their next targets. Prince. Where's Prince at? Let's flat his bike. Let's flat his front bike. Oh god, we fell. So hard to control. And his bike is flattened. Oh, the other bike. Let's flat this too. Let's flat the other bike. Oh, it's dead. Oh, let's flat this one more time. And there it goes, dead. Open the window. Alright. Gotta get our mission. Alright. We gotta get a sleeping bag. This is how you do it, guys. To be a true hitman, you gotta do some true skills. You need some true skills to be a hitman. Oh my god. Dead. Hey you. You're dead, boy. You're dead, boy. You're dead, boy. You're dead, boy. You're dead, you're dead, you're dead, you're dead. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, yo, who do you? That your child? Oh, he can't drive it. Oh, he can't drive it. Oh, he can't drive it. Oh, gosh. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Oh, gosh, I got flat his bike. Boom! Oh, I can't hit it. I can't hit it. Oh, no. Oh, man, the mission has failed. And... Oh, gosh, I did. What's that? I can't even... Oh, chill. Chill. I failed the mission. The mission has failed. The mission has failed. So the mission has failed. Oof, 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 oof. Oof. Oof, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, alright, I'm dead. Alright, I failed the mission, alright. I failed the mission, alright. You goobers. Here. I'll show you what a real hitman is. Oh, dang it. I get up. Oh, God. I get up here. Oh, the ladder has disappeared. Okay, we get it. Oh, noble dude. It's been a noble dude. He's a noble dude. Put it in there. But it's the wrong way. Wrong positioning. Also wrong. Also wrong positioning. What is the wrong freaking way? I don't do it the right way. Oh, god dang it. Dang it, bro. Please, 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 come on. Street. What do you mean? I'm not using the street. Bruh. Yeah, then here. Then here then. Oh no. Oh no. Ah! He's about to ban me. He's gonna ban me, bro. Bro, he's gonna ban me. Where are you now? Oh. It's him. Lol. He's a poor guy. This guy is a poor little guy. Feel bad for him. Oh, poor little guy. Poor guy. It's your life now. It's his life now, guys. Just ignore him there. I'll just go like this. Right. I'm gonna do top one, number one, smartest human being. Alright, be like that. Now get our sleeping bed and put the sleeping bag over here. Put it. I can't put it. Oh man. God, I can't put the sleeping bag. Alright, being a hitman is kind of hard. But being a pro god is easier. I just glitch through like this. I mean like this. When I go that, and I place a sleeping bag right here. I change the sleeping bag to its direction. Oh no. Oh no. Run, run, run. Run, baby boy. Run. Oh, where he thinks he's going. Where does he think he's going? Where does he think he's going? Oh, oh. Oh, no, this guy. Oh, dang it. Dang it, bro. Dang it. Bro knows my plan now. Oh, wait. I should not. Dude, thank you. Sleep, bro. That ain't you, dude. Change the platform there. Oh, god dang it. Dang it. Now he can never get in. Oh, yeah. Now it's impossible for you to get in. Let's get up the bomb. Where's the C4? Here. Right, the safe is right here. Explode the safe. Right, give me the money, boy. Let go. Please. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, bud. Thank you. I rob your house. Ha, nub. Take that. L. I rob your house successfully. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Sheesh. It's open. Sheesh. His house is open. Oh, yo, he's not here. He definitely left. Oh. He's not here either. Where is he? Where could he be? Oh, he's not here. Too bad. Oh, I stole your money. You know, I'm getting an AK-47, bud. You want to taste your own medicine? Come here. I'm getting an AK-47. Take that. Oh, someone successful died. Oh, yo. Shoot him. Shoot him. Oh, you wanna be true? Come here. Give me this guy. Come here, boy. And now, here's here. Hey, boy. Don't mess with me now. And now he's stuck. Oh, a true hitman can do this. As easy as hell. What kind of mission is that? It's definitely this one. Is it? Is it? Let's see. Oh, yo, this is an awesome book one. This is awesome. Man. Alright. Let's scope him up. And here we go. How are you doing this? Alright, find him. Find this guy. Where could he be? Where he at? I shot him. You can see so. Wolf. See? Wolf. Count points. Alright. Mission time, guys. Mission time. We're gonna be equipping the what is it? Is it this? Is it this animation? Is it this one? Is this even the right one, guys? I don't know if this is the right one, but this is the worst walk animation. Take this, 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 and this. I think so. This kind of well. Alright, let's go. It's still good. So we go into these leaves and easily as here. Bruh. There. I got hide. Bruh. Bro just left the game. Oh my god. Which walk animation was it? See this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Let's see. Bro, what walk is that? I bet it's this one. This, 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 this. Alright, that's good enough. That's good enough, I think. That's good enough. Right, that's good enough. Alright, let's change our avatar. Change our fit to this OP guy. Oh, this looks matching. What is? Oh, this looks awesome. Alright, that looks awesome. Take the one off, take the one off, take the one off. Let's change our face to let's see what we can do. And this big boy, I found her hair earlier. It's called Hitman, but it was really awesome. Here, this is an awesome hair, but it's dark hair. We need the light hair. Here we go, light hair. It's light. And let's go. Cool. Research that. Cool bag. Cool bag. Cool axe. Who's this? Is this the shark? How about this? Nah, this one is better. Bet. Oh, this one's better. Oh man, that ruined my fit. I'm on fire, yo. Oh, I'm on fire, yo. I'm on fire, yo. Oh, yo, bruh. Alright, that was good enough. And about this, gold. Gold, cool. Let's see what we get. Sheesh. What about W? Hey, that's a W. wait. I bet this one is better. Oh, yeah, pro. I'm supposed to be a pro. How about this? It does not got nothing. This, it shows nothing. Pro is better. Pro, I'm the pro. Cool gold. What that? Sheesh, what's this? What's that? What was that? Oh, yo, this one looks awesome. Bruh, Prosty. This one, oh man. This one definitely. Wait. Yeah, matching up, bro. Hey, baby boss. I'm chained up with gold. Let's go, baby boy. It's like a money bag. Oh, yo, I'm rich. I'm rich, guys. Rich, cool, golden. How about that? I'm rich. See? I got this boy on me. How about this boy? Oh, I'm rich, baby boy. Show me this skull. Nah, I'd hunt. Dude, nah, I'd hunt, bruh. Hey, I am cool. I'm rich. Nah, I'm cool, man. Nah, I'm cool. With this. Hey, yo, guys, that is. Oh, this looks awesome, guys. Alright, I'm putting that on. I'm rich. Let's go. Accomplish that. Oh, yo, guys, that looks awesome. Since it says I'm rich, we'll get on some rich stuff. A phone and money. I'm rich, yo. I'm rich. Check that out. I'm rich. I'm gonna break into this guy's house like a rich guy. Are you gonna ban me? Hey, yo. Hi. Are you gonna ban me? Bro, I got banned. Bro, voodoo. My first time been banned here. Nah, dude. Nah. Alright, next one. Alright, we're gonna be making the next avatar. Alright, let's go here. Say ninja. And here we go. Ninja. Oh, yo, what the? Ninja. Alright, let's go. Gold.
Pwede lang
Gold ninja.
Anong ga?
Gold ninja. Oh, yo, sheesh. This looks awesome, guys. Check out the back. Gold ninja. We're gonna be matching, bruh. Hey, this looks awesome. Hey, GG. Hey, that's cool, guys. This And get some of this. And that's cool, guys. Boom. Now we need the ninja animation. This one. This one. This one. This one. Hey, that is cool, guys. Sheesh. That is awesome. Alright, next avatar. Hey. Hey. Go ninja. Save the rock. Hey. I'm a ninja. I'm a ninja, guys. Hey, I'm a ninja. Since I'm a ninja, let's bring something else better than I think. Hey. Hey. Dude, that is awesome, guys. We definitely need one of these, and one of these. That is awesome. I even have this. Ching chung 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 zhang 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 zhang. Hey. Let's put something in the back. Yeah. Red axe, boy. I also have a red axe, which is this one. A sword and a bow. What was this? Shoot this guy off. Hey. 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 I'm a ninja. I'm a ninja. I can run faster than you thought. Alright, I can run fast. But I can ride this fast. Hey. 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 There's so many people here. Pocket. What's that? Butt check. I know the emoji. It's like this. And like this. And I'm fixing my car. I'm fixing my car, guys. Fixing my car, yo. I'm fixing my car, yo. I'm fixing my car. I'm fixing my car, yo. Cool. Wait, what do you mean? No. Why are you on? He said a different language. Oh no, this is a different language. Take that. Just speak different language. You're dead. Oh, someone's out here. They're dating. They're dating. Hey, what's up? Hey. You there, big guy? Fire trail. What happened? Dude, that is not awesome. How about this? Hey, bougie. I'm sitting down. Oh, you're dragon fire. How about this? Golden dragon. Hey, let's go. This is what am I sitting down on? Whoa, best glitch. Hey, what's up, boys? What's up, boys? Can I join y'all? I'm a ninja go. I'm a ninja go. I'm a ninja go. I'm a ninja go. Bro, this looks so cool. I got gold ninja. Sheesh. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, baby boy. Right, next avatar. Hey, hey, hey. Alright, we need to get our walk animation ready. You know what we're dressing up, guys? We're dressing up as the zombie. Hey, hey, check this out. We're a zombie now, guys. Let's change our skin color to green. And face. Ninjago. A zombie. I want zombie that look like this. Zombies that look like this. A a check this out, check this out. Yes sir. Let's check this out. Zombie. 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 Sheesh, so many options. Oh, yo, this looks awesome, guys. Yeah, sheesh. I'm a zombie. Zombie. How about brain? Give me this. Or this. Where's the brain? Where's the brain? Yo, what? Zombie brain. This. Kasi this na. Brains. Hey, that's gonna be the zombie. 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 Hey, I'm a zombie. Don't play around with that. Wait. No, my avatar. Oh man. Oh god. I created that avatar for nothing. I lost it now. Oh man. Bruh! I hate this day, man. My avatar is ruined now. Bruh! Right, let's go here. Cool. Golden. Need this. Cool. Golden. Here. Cool. Golden. I'm on fire. Yo. Oh, where? Sheesh. Give me that hair. Here we go. I mean, which do I want? Wait, I want this one. And here, golden hook. Hey, sheesh. Here we go. My boy's right here. Ito's here. Let's see this, guys. Let's change it. Oh gosh. My phone. Hey, I have an iPhone. Let's go. Here we go. Cool golden, yo. Yo, jeez. I think this better. Sheesh. So this I definitely want this. Yo, shoo, that looks awesome. Look at this. Man, that is the drip master. I'm the drip master. Yo, sheesh. Alright. Cool. Hey, baby boy. You got here. Yo, here. Hey, let's go. What else we got here? Sheesh. Sheesh. This is definitely my favorite drip, guys. Oh, wait. Sheesh. Sheesh. I bet I want, bruh. Bro, what is going on here? There we go. Here we go. Save that up. Yo, I look awesome. I look like the true drip master. So I need this. I'm rich. Yo. Hey, what's up, boy? Oh, I have better drip than you. I have better drip than you, bro. My drip is better than you. My drip is better than you. Lol, my drip is better. My drip is better. Wee, come on, bro. Let's take a selfie. Come here. Oh, jeez. Sheesh, guys. Alright. What's the money? Drad. What's the money? 17. Where's that house? 17. forgot about this place. I forgot I can just go here. This gamer house. Right in the sea. Let's go. Shoo. Alright. Oh. The inside color change actually. Yo, check this out, guys. Golden play button. Sheesh. And our gaming set, obviously. Change that. Fortnite is better. Let's play Fortnite. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, and change the game. Minecraft and Brookhaven, let's go. Oh, Fortnite's better. Fortnite's better. Oh dang. Yo, sheesh. Sheesh, guys, let's go. Hey. And I have the silver play button and a golden play button. Is this computer? Sit down. Alright, we're gonna go and edit. Whoa. Why does screen kind look like that? Oh my god. Oh, yo, green screen is awesome. And beach. So special zamaranda. Clap. And crawl. Turn and hands up. Hand up. Da.
Sejumlah nak. Gimana dapat? Ha? Kayo? Murag otak, murag bagay matayon ba? Murag.
Hey, that's it, guys. No more dancing for today. Let's go. Let's wheel this. Sheesh. Gotta go in my car. It's time to rest, guys. Go in here. Go. Let's go.
Pero sa kadagana mo ba?
Blah 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 blah.
Duda na ko, ibutang nila dito. Kaya nga sa kadagana nga ako mayang na.
It's morning, guys.
Nagana ka lang up. Mas kapag sa ko.
Ako sa sino. Adalah jadi.
Let's go.
Isla po ba?
Catch Island.
Kaya nakatapusan na ito, di ba? Ano pinilasan sa alistahan?
Spawn up our best boat. Dun 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 dun.
Doon sa kinatapusan.
Tararan, 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 tararan,
Kaya bus.
tararan.
Ano?
Tapos pinta ka ba?
Tararan, tararan,
Inay.
tararan, 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 tararan,
Ano ba na ito? Dito itong isla.
tararan, tararan. Alright, let's go, guys, to this next world.
Ay, dito na ako.
Let's go. Let's go, Sui. La la la, dun dun dun. Car is glowing.
Ano ba? Dito na.
Punta sa mga ba? Kasi
Shoo.
ang tama.
I'm going fast. Shoo.
Ay, dito.
Let go, bud.
Oh, doon lang. Yung Ignatius Alvarez.
Pagtingga. Gaya.
ASAP. ASAP.
Astorias, ang naging doon.
Sup.
Ano? Ay, wala.
Ang lahat tama, kaya binangan mo siya Pelegria de la Asturias. Asa na yun?
I'm gonna take a photo with this cup. Come here, boy.
Ba, nandito na?
Hey, yo. Drip Master.
Ayan. Ito ba?
We'll just left the game.
Tatar, ay lang.
Howdy, howdy.
Oh, siya. Asturias.
Howdy.
Wala pa kayo, no?
Howdy. Let
May nakagala naman siya ng mga ito.
check this out, guys. Hey,
Ano sa banda na? Dulo. Yan ang atbang.
can you do that to my car? Let's do a backflip. Yeah.
Ano na may kay. Ang galit pa ito galit to ang kay.
Yeah.
Rinda ko ah. Simpumil ko nung yung galit. Dito ko na yun. Ang gawa nga lang. Sa tagapuan, magkukuha na. Dulo ko na sa dito.
Look that. Boom.
Kaya na nila sa ano dito. Ka-tracking na nila.
Boom.
Ang gato na host ng kapila. Ang layo.
So why am I climbing like this? I climb very weirdly. Let's stop the animation. Oh, let's stop the cap. Now let's backflip. 3, 2, 1. Boom! Shoo! Shoo!
Palit na yun. Ano yun?
Shoo! Shoo!
Ah, suka.
Kaya,
Suka.
Yeah.
share ko naman ito. Uli. Yeah. Ang tulos ko lang. Ito.
Buwan na.
Rich.
Dungan na lang nila. Ipas lang ang pagdaan sa survey siguro na. Barangay. Ano ang bills to live? Ano ang bills to live? Kuhan ng survey. Ng household ba?
Hello, sir.
Ang nila ko ang kuhan nila mo. Malangay-langay ng host.
Bruh. Mm.
Ayan, yun. Medyo kayo dagan kaya yung ganang maayong tema, pero yung effect lang. Daghan na.
Ay, puta.
Ay, kasi may grade-grade na.
Ito siya.
Senior time na din.
James.
Ngayon lang, hindi ka tatawa.
Go follow him. Fast, fast, fast. Follow this cop. We go follow him. Where's he at? Where is he, guys? Guys?
Ang nakataon dyan, ang decision mo, yung sulit, labay na nagbalik sa assignment, buhat sa lahat. Nung saan mo ba yun? Decision, division,
Put your hands up.
kung pwede magkitalara. Okay yun ang nalain. Matigal. Paano yung kami?
Nagbalak ng school na. School na.
And Subway.
Kaya ito, may spoon natin. Ayun, ayun, ayun. Ayun, mga standard nito nga. Sampai tayo mo sa kapilin po yung masita. Sayang lang yun siya, pero di na lang ginagawa kami. Ganito pala ako. Hindi ko isang dito ba? Ba na gusto niya ako na hindi gawa pa. Okay lang naman, may gawa na ako.
Look. Look.
Kaya may mga sinabot sa mga ano, ingon sa mga
Alright.
ate nga.
Let's go. Let's go, guys.
Baran nga, bakit ina yun na? Ay, naman. Ay, nakalayo yung sakto rin na yung desisyon. Ayaw lang.
Yo, I didn't know this was glow.
So, kung sa kagamay sa kwarta, sa kamaw lang mo. Manage.
Let's go.
Ay, ayaw ba yan? Maglaga naman yung okay lang.
Move.
Ay, nakat.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, bro.
Sabi
I see the light.
ano, hubong dyan.
Alright.
Ilan kayo niya dito at isumba. Pastilan. Pwede siya ringan. Basta ba na lang, hindi na. Medyo na ako.
And this house.
Buka dito na.
Let's see. Oh, I know how to do this. I know how to do this, guys.
Bagang yung kaluluman.
Come here.
Mura.
Here. Higher up, higher up. Run. Oh, dang it. Dude. Let's go. Mm-hmm. 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 Mm. 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 I can't talk, guys. Dude. Dude.
Sini.
Are you?
Ini dah. Ini dah ada. Boleh, boleh. Ini okey. Di sini. Ini dia. Bukan lah.
Charge niya na.
Bruh. He betrayed me.
Kamay na pinto. Pero sa butang nga di sila kamao.
Bruh, he betrayed me.
Ano ninyo ha? No choice.
Bro just really betrayed me. Bro, guys, this guy betrayed me, bruh. I thought, bruh, and he left. Where's he right now?
Kasi ilang kuwan dahil sa una wala na.
Hey, let's go. Let's go, bud.
Sila ang lindo. Kuwan na eh. Pagod.
Let go. Bruh. 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 Dude.